Let AutoMarker rotate some pieces if they don't fit in the marker width. We show an example with the waistband of a trouser. The waistband fits in the size 36 but is too big in the size 44. Start AMC upload and login in AutoMarker. Select the marker to be laid. Select one appropriate profile. Open the editor for Smart Placement. Select the waistband. Click on Advanced. Give a name for the group. Allow AutoMarker to rotate automatically the waistband pieces of 90 degrees if they don't fit in the marker width. Click on OK to save the rule and close the windows. Indicate a name for the AutoMarker job. If you desire, you can save the profiles in order to use it later again. Send the marker to AutoMarker. And this is the result. AutoMarker has rotated only the waistband of the size 44 because it didn't fit in the marker width.